to secure your Netflix account. In order to secure your Netflix account, you need to follow these steps. So basically, there are different criteria that you could do in order to secure your account. That is, you could use a unique password, strong password, a mix of letter and a number as well as symbol, and then create a 4-digit PIN for your Netflix profile as well to restrict the access of others. And next, what you could also do is you could also sign out of all devices. That is, once your account settings or on your account settings page, you could sign out of all the devices. Then this is good step to take if you suspect someone unauthorized and using your account as well. And the other feature you could do is profile log with a PIN, or you could also secure your devices by keeping your operating system and app up to date and antivirus software on your device so that you could access Netflix easily. And then you could also check your viewing activity. You could view the viewing history for each profile by going to the account page and selecting the profile as well. So this is how you could secure your Netflix account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.